So hey guys, the next major thing from OnePlus will be a flagship phone named the OnePlus 11, which is now in headlines. We have already seen the first unofficial render images of the phone with a new circular camera bump, and some people loved it while others disliked the upcoming OnePlus 11 design. Meanwhile, the OnePlus 11 has been spotted in a new official looking image. It gave us a clear look at the brand's upcoming flagship. New image of the OnePlus 11 has now surfaced courtesy of OnLeaks revealing its design. The image shows the OnePlus 11 in two new colors, black and greyish-green. They will most likely be called Volcanic Black and Forest Emerald, just like the OnePlus 10 Pro. The OnePlus 11 also appears to have a matte finish while glossy material is used on the frame and camera bump. And as I said before, the three-way alert slider, also known as the OnePlus mute switch, is making a comeback, which we welcome. The leak also indicates the specifications of the future OnePlus 11, though it doesn't go into much detail. The company is dropping the Pro from the name of the OnePlus 11. This is a very much a top-tier device powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. The phone is coming in the first quarter of 2023. OnePlus 11 will compete with the Xiaomi 13 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, which are coming with the same chipset and other factors. Moving on, the camera has always been a concern for company. OnePlus phones are typically placed a step below iPhones, Pixels and Galaxy in terms of camera quality. Despite a large investment and a collaboration with the famous brand Hazelblade, with a 50 megapixel main camera, a 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 32 megapixel 2x zoom lens, the OnePlus 11 has a triple camera system. While the main and ultra-wide camera are common, we hardly ever see 2x zoom cameras, so we are interested to know why OnePlus has chosen to include one. The major question now is when the OnePlus 11 will be unveiled. According to the reliable source, OnePlus will announce the OnePlus 11 at the same time as the OnePlus 10 Pro. This suggests that the phone will initially be available in China later this month, possibly in January 2023, with a global release schedule for the Q1 2023. This means we will be getting some indications from company very soon. So what do you think about this OnePlus 11 design? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.